Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Marvin Ascension, and today we're going to be drawing Butch Hartman. If you guys don't know who he is a creator of Fairly Odd Parents, Tough Puppy, Bunsen is a Beast, and he's done a bunch of other things as well. And he has a YouTube channel, so you guys can go check him out. I'll leave a link down below. But without further ado, let's get into the video. I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, welcome back to another commentary. Today we're going to be drawing Butch Hartman, but before we get started, I would like you to guys hit that little notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I release a new video. And also, if you do enjoy this video, be sure to like it, give it a thumbs up, it really helps us out. Alright guys, so for today's video we are drawing Butch Hartman. If you guys don't know who that is, I'm sure you guys have watched at least one of his shows. He is the creator of Danny Phantom, Fairly Odd Parents, Tough Puppy, and Bunsen is a Beast. And he's done a bunch more, but I only remember those. Now I've only watched Fairly Odd Parents and Danny Phantom growing up, and I absolutely love those shows. My favorite one was Danny Phantom, of course, because he's a superhero, but I also like the Crimson Chin from the Fairly Odd Parents shows. But anyway, going back to the drawing, I really wanted to give him a dynamic pose or a superhero pose to kind of pay homage to Butch. He's a very big superhero fan like me. So I decided that his superpower would be that he could draw anything he wanted and it would come to life, as well as also giving him some Danny Phantom powers as well. And for his suit, of course, I had to go with the Danny Phantom suit, but I reversed it and I thought it would be cool to add some texture to kind of give it my own spin. And for the background, I went with the green. I had to, guys. So, and that is pretty much it. I'm not going to go over my process much. You guys already know kind of what I do. So let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. And Butch, if you're watching this, thank you so much for my childhood, and thank you for inspiring me. That's it for me today, guys. See you next time. Bye. basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys haven't already, go check out my other videos. I've done Christian Guzman, Spider-Man, and a bunch of other superheroes, so go check them out. And as always guys, comment who you guys want me to do next, and I'll see you in the next one.